Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I want to show you the tutorials how to sign in into your CapCut on your iPhone. So here, if you already have your CapCut installed on your phone, just simply click open. Okay, and then we will be generated into the applications, and after it's being opened, just on the bottom option we will see 4 sections: edit, template, inbox, and me. Click the me sections. After that, there is a lot of option about the method what you want to sign in with. You can sign in with your TikTok account, you can sign in with the Google, email, Facebook, or even with your Apple account. So here, let's sign in with the Google, and then just click continue. And now if you already have like several accounts, just choose which account you want to sign in with for the CapCut applications. And now just follow the rules. If you need to fulfilling the birthday, you just can fulfilling it's just based on the 3rd data of you. Okay, that's for me. Okay, make it fast, and then after you fulfilled it, just confirm. And now your sign is successfully. And then now you can edit your video, start from, edit a new project. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.